Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Bangkok to attend the 6th BIMSTEC summit, where he received a grand and enthusiastic welcome from the Indian diaspora and local supporters, who greeted him with chants of Vande Mataram. The atmosphere at the airport was electrifying as crowds gathered to catch a glimpse of the Indian leader, showcasing their admiration and respect through patriotic slogans. The 6th BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, summit aims to strengthen regional cooperation and enhance socio-economic growth among its member countries, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Nepal, and Bhutan. The summit is expected to focus on areas such as trade, investment, connectivity, security, and sustainable development. PM Modi's visit to Bangkok underscores India's commitment to fostering deeper ties with its Southeast Asian and South Asian neighbors under the Act East policy. His presence at the summit highlights India's proactive engagement in regional forums and initiatives aimed at promoting economic growth, technological collaboration, and cultural exchange. Additionally, the Prime Minister is expected to hold bilateral meetings with various leaders during the summit to discuss strategic partnerships, security cooperation, and measures to boost economic resilience in the post-pandemic era. PM Modi's arrival in Bangkok and the overwhelming welcome he received reflect his continued popularity and the strengthening of India's ties within the BIMSTEC framework. The summit is poised to yield significant agreements and cooperative measures that will enhance regional connectivity and promote peace and prosperity among the member nations.